In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create discounts in Shopify. Open your Shopify admin in your browser, and once the dashboard loads, look to the left sidebar. In that menu, click Discounts. This opens the Discounts page. Depending on your store, this page may be empty with a prompt to create your first discount, or it may already show a list of discounts you have created before. Now click Create Discount. You'll usually find this in the top right corner, but if there are no discounts yet, the button may appear in the center of the page. After that, you'll land on the Select Discount Type screen. Here, choose Amount Off Products. This sets up a discount that reduces the price of selected products. Next, move to the Methods section. Select Discount Code. Once that option is active, click into the Discount Code field and type the name you want to use for the code. Say the code clearly as you enter it, one code only in this field. If you do not want to type your own code, click Generate Code instead, and Shopify will create a random code for you automatically. Under Value, choose Percentage. This tells Shopify that the discount will be calculated as a percentage off the product price. Click into the Value field and type the discount percentage you want to offer. Enter the number only in that field so Shopify can apply it correctly as a percentage discount. Now go to the Applies to section. Select Specific Products. This setting limits the discount so it only works on products you choose. After selecting that, click Browse to open the product picker. In the list that appears, find the product you want to include and check the box next to it. Once the product is selected, click Add. You'll return to the discount setup page, and the selected product will now appear under Applies to. If needed, this area can also hold additional products or collections added the same way. Scroll down to the Minimum Purchase Requirements section. Select Minimum Purchase Amount. A field will appear below that option. Click into the Amount field and type the minimum value required for the discount to work. This sets the spending threshold customers must meet on eligible products before the discount code can be applied at checkout. Continue down to Customer Eligibility. In this section, select All Customers. This makes the discount code available to anyone who reaches checkout and meets the rest of the rules you are setting here. You may also notice options for specific customer segments or specific customers, but for this setup, leave all customers selected. Scroll down again to Maximum Discount Uses. Check the box for limit number of times this discount can be used in total. A field will appear. Click into that field and type the total number of times this code can be redeemed. After entering that number, check Limit to 1 use per customer. This creates both a total redemption cap and a one-time use rule for each customer. Next, go to the Combination section. Here, check Shipping Discounts. This allows the discount code you are creating to be combined with free shipping discounts. Leave the other combination options unchecked if you do not want this discount to stack with other product discounts or order discounts. Now, scroll to Active Dates. The start date is usually set to today by default. Leave it as it is, or adjust it if needed using the date control. Then check Set End Date. Once that box is enabled, a calendar option will appear. Use the calendar to pick the date when the discount should stop being active. After all of that is in place, go to the bottom right corner of the page and click Save. Shopify will process the discount settings and then show a confirmation banner at the top of the page. You'll now be on the Discount Detail page, where the summary appears on the right side. This confirms the discount type, the value, which products it applies to, the minimum purchase requirement, customer eligibility, usage limits, combination settings, and the active dates. At this point, the code is live, and customers can enter it at checkout. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.